Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be using node-red-opcua-otmr to have OPC UA communication with the server. Here, I have a cyber physical system and I'm going to read the data of the three proximity sensors installed on the belt. First, we need to install the package. You need to open the terminal under the node-red folder that you have. Here, I have an instance of node-red, but if you have node-red installed locally on your computer, use the following command on your prompt first before installing the package. Now, I'm going to install my package. I'm using npm I node-red opcua otmr, and after a few seconds we can see the package is installed. Now the package is installed. I'm opening my node-red. Once you install the package and open the node-red, if you scroll down, you should be able to see OPC UA OTMR under function palette. I drag and drop it into my flow and I bring one of my injects and a debug. I connect them all together. Then double click on the OPC UA OTMR to change the properties of my node. Here, you need to enter the URL that you are going to talk to your server with. In my case, I'm using opc.tcp://172.21.1. The port number by default is 4840, but if your port number is different, make sure you have changed it. I'm using UA Expert to detect the node IDs from my variables. Here, I have my UA Expert connected to my server. So under address space, I can find all of my variables. I can find my XBG5, XBG1, and XBG6. These are the variables that I would like to read the data from, and we can see the values here already. I highlight XBG5 under the address space, and on the top right, I should be able to find node ID. Here, I can copy the value of that node ID and head back to my node-red page. Simply paste it here, and I head back to my UA Expert, highlight my XBG1, and make a copy of my node ID. Again, node-red, paste, and similarly for XBG6, I do have this node ID. I can simply click done and deploy. Here, if I inject, under my debug page, I should get an array of data including all my variables and their values. If I put my timestamp into an interval, I can get injection every 1 second. I hope you have found this video useful. Thank you for watching.